Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Adventures on Roblox. To begin your epic journey, you'll first need to select a starter dragon egg. Once you've made your choice, hatch it to bring your very first dragon companion into the world. Familiarize yourself with the simple controls for moving around and interacting with objects and other players. This initial step sets the foundation for all your future adventures and discoveries in the game. As you progress, exploring the vast world of Dragon Adventures is key. Venture into different biomes, such as the lush grasslands or the fiery volcano, to discover new resources and hidden secrets. Seek out non-player characters who offer exciting quests. Completing these will grant you valuable rewards like coins and items. Prepare your dragon for combat against wild creatures to earn experience points and gather essential loot for your journey. Nurturing your dragons is a fundamental part of the game. Ensure your companions are well fed to maintain their health and happiness, which is crucial for their performance. Watch your dragons grow from tiny hatchlings into magnificent, powerful adults, unlocking new abilities along the way. Delve into the fascinating world of breeding, where you can combine different dragon types to discover unique species and expand your collection. Once you've mastered the basics, Dragon Adventures offers many advanced goals. Focus on collecting rare and legendary dragons, each with distinct appearances and abilities. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, which provide opportunities to earn exclusive rewards and limited-time items. Engage in trading with other players to acquire specific dragons or items you desire, enhancing your collection and overall gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.